Today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare ginger. Ginger is one of my favorite ingredients to add to stir fries. I even add it to tea, and it's a great ingredient because it's very anti-inflammatory and it's great for the immune system. So especially this time of the year, you want to make sure you're consuming plenty of ginger to help ward off the colds and flus and all of that stuff. So the way that you're going to use it is you're just going to chop off a piece. So let's say that this is what I'm going to use in my recipe. Now most people will just take the knife and start cutting the paper off, but you actually lose a lot of the ginger when you do that. So instead what you want to do is you want to take the side of a spoon and then you're just going to go like that really lightly, and it comes off so easily. And then once the paper is off, you can just slice it any way that you like. I like doing it in matchsticks for a stir fry. You could of course chop it smaller if you want. If you're gonna do a tea, you could just do a few thin slices. And yeah, I would say always keep ginger on hand. I always have ginger in my fridge. It's just like garlic and onions. It's a great flavoring agent and it's extremely healthy. So healthy. So enjoy your ginger.